And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Well, it certainly has been a very dry and hot month of May, so let's go through the numbers here and the statistics over the last month. So for the 1st to the 31st, the monthly average for May 2023 was 75 degrees when our normal monthly average was 72. So we were above normal for temperatures and we were well below normal. Normally we see about 4 inches of rain roughly for the month of May, but we only saw 0.93 inches for the entire month. We had nothing, not even a trace yesterday at the Purdue airport. So thanks to Chief Meteorologist Chad Evans, he dug out the paperwork and did the data here. You can see we were the 6th driest May on record at 0.93 inches. The latest one was back in 1964 where we had about a half an inch. So definitely a dry month, and it is showing. I know my grass is definitely very crunchy on the south side of Lafayette already, and it's still looking very dry in the forecast ahead. A few lucky cities and areas had some good amount of rain yesterday. Down toward Mayberry had a good little storm, or Mulberry had some good little storms, about a half an inch there north of Frankfort, and actually had 4.25 inches near Monon. About 4 inches fell in that area with that storm up there, about 0.3 of an inch up toward Remington. So it was very hit and miss, but you can see right Lafayette, we were just right between the two storms and they were just bubbling up. They would form up real quickly and then fall apart, give an outflow boundary, and then more storms would pop up on the periphery of that. But all that is out now. We are still very dry this morning and we'll have a beautiful sunrise. Temperatures are in the 60s, 64 Flora. Here in Lafayette sitting at 63, Kokomo 65. Futurecast will show a clear start by the afternoon hours. Here's lunchtime. Those clouds will start to develop and we'll start to see that activity build up again. And we're not going to see as much coverage as we saw yesterday. Still can't rule out an isolated storm here or there. Here's 10 o'clock. Things will quiet down after midnight tonight. We're looking at a very sunny day for tomorrow. Today, again, low chance 20 to 30 compared to about a 40% coverage yesterday. So do not expect much rain for the first day of June here, but warmer, 91 degrees, even warmer tomorrow. Plenty of sun, 94. East-northeast wind, about 5 to 10 miles per hour, but high pressure will keep us nice and clear for Saturday as well, which will get us into the mid-90s. So much warmer air on the way Friday, Saturday. So and rain chances look very slim on the 10-day as well. We're looking at a dry cold front coming in Sunday. It'll give us some relief from the heat, but still fairly mild. We'll be back in the mid-80s by next week, Joe.
All right, well, some lucky areas got a little bit of rain yesterday. I was kind of grilling out on the porch and heard some of that thunder, thought maybe I'd get rained on, but nothing happened.
Yeah, we were hearing thunder at my house too, and I was waiting for a drop, but I was watching the radar and I was noticing, well, there's one to the east, one to the west, and I think we're going to be stuck right in the middle. And that'll be the case again today, but not as much coverage as what we saw yesterday, unfortunately. So if you're the lucky few today that get some rain, enjoy it while it lasts, because 10-day looks pretty nil with some rain chances. So.
Yeah, and it was such an unfamiliar sound to hear that thunder.
I know, right?
I haven't heard in a long time. All right, thanks, David.